Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make embedded buttons that reveal messages on Discord. So first, what you need to do is make an information channel on Discord. So basically, right click on here, create channel, and name it information channel. Just like so, and click on create channel. Here's an information channel. And next is add Disco Hook Qtos. So just search for Disco Hook Qtos on Google and click on it and add it to your server, just like so here. Continue, authorize, and you need to verify it. So as you can see, the Disco Hook is now invited to my channel. So next is go back to Discord right here and make sure that Disco Qtos is on your server now. And here, go to the information channel and type in /webhook create here, just like so, and name your webhook right here, and I'll name it information channel, just like so. Then click on enter. As you can see, this will open, and click on open in Disco Hook right here. There, trust Disco Hook, and go to visit site. So here, once we're here, make sure that your content is ready to put here. And I will not show you how to make an embed right here. You could check it out on my other video. And I'm just going to put every information right here and get back to you guys. And as you can see, guys, once you're done customizing it, what you need to do is just click on send right here. And go back to Discord, and boom, it is now here on your information channel. Now what you want to do is search for Disco Hook again. So manually, discohook.org. And just like so. And what you just need to do is clear out all of these stuff. We can now make our buttons for our roll buttons here below here. So after you're done with this, just click on the share message button here and copy the link just like so. Close this up. Now go back to Discord and right click on this message where you will put the button in. So right click on apps. So if you don't see the apps button, you just need to open developer options on your settings. And once you've done that, you will see this app feature here and click on add button right here. As you can see, there is a selection option here. Click on that and click on custom message just like so, and select a destination for this message. So hidden in channel, so click that one, label, let's say roles info, and I will skip this emoji name or ID. I'll skip this step and paste the link that we covered earlier, the share message link. So as you can see, just there, and click on submit. And you could choose a style with one of these preview buttons. So for me, I'm going to go with this one. Oh, it doesn't change anything. It's just out of preference. As you can see, and now if I click on this roles info button, so it will show this one that we added earlier. So this will only reveal the message to you and not for others. And now, guys, you could even use this feature right here with the links here, with like Twitter, Reddit, and invite links, so that it will look more beautiful and aesthetic. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.